Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about fan motor 115V for Manitowoc part number 2412929. The fan motor 115V for Manitowoc part number 2412929 is a direct replacement motor for Manitowoc ice machines. This motor is designed to provide reliable and efficient cooling for your ice machine. It features a 115V, 60 Hz, 1/20th HP, 1.5A motor with a fan blade diameter of 4.5 inches. The motor has an overall length of 5 3/4 inches and a mounting hole diameter of 3/8 inch. This fan motor is designed to fit Manitowoc models SPA 190, SPA 200, SPA 210, SPA 220, SPA 230, and SPA 240. It is UL listed and CSA certified for safety and reliability. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for a Manitowoc ice machine. It is designed to replace a faulty or worn-out motor, which could be causing symptoms such as the machine not producing ice, the machine making loud noises, or the machine not running at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off power to the unit before beginning installation. 2. Remove the existing motor and fan assembly from the unit. 3. Install the new motor and fan assembly onto the unit, making sure that all connections are secure and tight. 4. Connect the wiring to the motor according to the wiring diagram provided with your new motor and fan assembly. Make sure all connections are secure and tight. 5. Turn on power to the unit and test for proper operation of the new motor and fan assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.fps to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.